Okay guys, just look at us where we are standing exactly. We're just surrounded by mountains and we're going to show you the road downstairs, how it looks. See, there's the road there. In fact, there it is exactly. Good morning guys, this is Abhishek and Swagata again with you. So today we have planned a road trip to Ras Al Khaimah. Now some of you would already know what is Ras Al Khaimah, but for those who don't know, Ras Al Khaimah is one of the 7 emirates here in UAE, and we're going to visit specific spot in Ras Al Khaimah, which is nothing but Jabal Al Jas, which is favorite among most of the locals and expats also. So now I'll tell you some significance about this spot. It is the highest point of the UAE. It is located at the border of Oman and UAE, and the other part of the mountain in fact is located in Oman. So we are actually going to Oman, but not at ground level, but at the top, and it is around 6,400 feet above the sea level. So you can just imagine how up, how far up we have to climb. But roads here are very beautiful. Roads to even Ras Al Khaimah, the Jabal Al Jas mountain is very beautiful. So we wouldn't suffer much while traveling, and it must be, or it should be pretty, easy ride for us. And as you all know, the winter has already started here. So this is very good time to visit such spots which are outdoor, and then where we have to climb mountain or do some adventurous activities. So this is one of the spots here in UAE which is very beautiful and very favorite among these expats and locals. So as you can see guys, the road is pretty clear, and on both sides of this road there's just sand, in fact desert, and we still have to cover 20 minutes straight, which is pretty straight, and then we'll be taking an exit to Ras Al Khaimah. Okay, we have covered now the Emirates Road stretch, and at the moment we are driving on the Khujam Road. So I think still 1 hour to go to reach to Jabal Al Jas mountain. So guys, we've just spotted Golden Fork, which is Swagata's favorite restaurant. So obviously we're going to have lunch there. So let's head inside Golden Fork, have a delightful lunch, and then continue our journey to Jabal Al Jas. So as I said, we've just taken the stop over to have lunch, and there's absolutely nobody in this restaurant. So we are getting a feel as if we have booked entire restaurant to have this lunch. So let's have lunch and then proceed to our next stop. Hey guys, so after having such a delightful lunch at Golden Fork, we are proceeding ahead to Jabal Al Jas mountain. Now directly we are going to stop at Jabal Al Jas at the top. So all along the way we're going to show you how the road goes at the top. So stay tuned guys. I'm sure you guys might have seen these mountains in some of the other movies, either Hollywood or Bollywood, but you may not be knowing by their name, or you may not be knowing that it is called Jabal Al Jas mountain, but I'm sure you must have seen in some of the other movies, either Hollywood or Bollywood. I would give an example. In the movie Race, which is a Bollywood movie, they have shot in the Jabal Al Jas mountain. So now when we climb and as we go on showing you, you'll get a feel of it, and you can relate it with the movie. So we parked our car a little away from the point, which is exactly the topmost, but not very far from it. So we are going to walk till there, and we just want to show you how beautiful it looks from here. Being a weekend day, there are too many tourists we can see here, so it was a little difficult to find a parking, and hence we did not get it exactly at the point which is topmost, as I said. So now we're going to walk till the topmost point, and while walking along the road, we're going to show you the view, how beautiful it looks. Hey guys, now we are standing just exactly at the topmost point of UAE and Oman. Wow, it looks amazing. Okay guys, so now we are going to go down exactly following the same way how we had come up, and while going down we are going to take some stopovers, because there are some places from where this Jabal Al Jas mountain looks very beautiful, and it looks very scenic. So just to show you guys, we are going to have some stopovers there. And now, as you can see, the road is pretty clear because people are still coming up, and being a weekend day, there's a heavy rush. There was heavy rush at the top. In fact, there was absolutely no space, to park our car. So, but somehow we managed to find ourselves a parking, and then spend some good time here. So now, actually, we are going down, as I said. Okay, there you have one more stopover there. And then there is a road there to come up. So I'm going to zoom it for you. So let's see, all are coming up. Spotted some cars there. This is going to be our last stopover before we reach to the bottom. And the reason for stopping here is, see, there are two mountains which are very close, and through them there is a road. So this is one of the two, and then here is another one. And then there's a road through it. So now you will see a car passing by. See, the road goes through the mountain, and it is very close there. So we've reached at the bottom of the Jabal Al Jas mountain, and from here it will take almost 1.5 hours to reach our home. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. We have covered our entire journey from our home till Jabal Al Jas mountain at the top, and from there till bottom. And also we've covered what fun we've had, what little fun we've had at the top. I hope you enjoyed watching this video.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And stay tuned for our next vlog. So we're going to cover more and more of such places in our next vlog. Hopefully you would enjoy, as well as you would get some information if you're planning to visit such places. So stay tuned guys with our next vlogs.
Bye bye.